So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking about some of the important updates. For example, we have participated in the Global Hack Week challenge of the April season 2026, but what we have to exactly do in this particular challenge, how to check in for the events, how to do all the things, in this video we'll cover in detail. Now for all of you, if you don't know how to complete the challenges, how to participate in this challenge, I have created a playlist. I'll share the link in the description. From there you can watch all the things. Okay, some of the challenges are also live. You can just complete it without any issue. Now you have to simply come to this website directly. From here you have to just click on learn more, and here you can see we have schedules, swags, FAQs, all the things over here. So most of you are having queries that we have participated in the previous cohort, also means in the April challenge and March and February challenge, but we haven't received the swags. So you need to reach out to them via Discord, and they'll be able to address your queries. Now here, first of all, to be getting the swags, you have to complete some of the challenges in the challenges section. Okay, let me just open it, and you have to complete some of the sessions, means you have to attend some of the sessions which is listed on the schedules. So you can see currently today is 11th of April. Okay, so here you can see the sessions will be live around today only, that is 3 p.m. and again 3:30, 5:30. Similarly, you have to just check into these events currently as you have registered earlier, and if you have missed any of these events earlier, you cannot recheck in it. But here you can see we have a latest event that is around 3:30 p.m. So you have to just open it, and it will redirect to you. A new page will open. Mostly you have to just sign in case you haven't signed in. You have to simply authenticate yourself. Okay, I think it's showing 10 April ended, but the date, I think there is some technical glitch over here. So let's come directly to day 2. Okay, so I don't think they have updated that particular day 1 page. So from here, you can simply click on register over here. Again, it is not opening. Let me just see it. So you have to open it. Yes, you can see here login and register. So you have to simply log in over here. Now login process is very simple. You have to enter your email with which you have registered over here and do all the things. So you have to enter the email, sign in, enter the OTP, and you'll be logged in. After that, we'll meet again. So after that, you have to just click on the mail, and in the mail also sometime it asks for sign in. So you have to just sign in. Okay. And after that, you have to click on register. Here you have to enter your details, and then at last you have to just click on submit. For example, let me just show you. I'm from India. You can select your country also, as it is a global event. I agree. Just type n/a, all the things you have to do. Yeah, here you can just click on submit. Let's see whether it works or not. So it did not work. Let me just type. You can add your GitHub username also. Okay, and here you can just type your mail and then just click on submit. So I think it will work now. So yes, we are registered. Now once you have registered, you have to come back over here. Let me just come. So we are in day 2. Similarly, you have to open all these events one by one, and just you have to register in it. Okay. So here you have to just register in it, and when the event will be live, you'll be notified via email. Then you have to simply check in over here. A green color button will be shown, just like we have register button. Similarly, you'll see a check-in event button also. I'll make a video for that also. Do not worry about it. So you have to just click on check-in. I don't think why it is not responding. Let me just open any of the events. So yes, currently register option is showing. You have to just click on register. So if it asks for details again, you have to enter it and just register over here. Now coming over here directly to the challenge page. Okay. Now here you can see these are the challenges. Okay. So there are some no code challenges, some coding challenges. Okay. First of all, you have to fill the address form so that you get the swags. How to fill it, I have already covered in the video. You can find in the playlist. Okay. Now here you can see share your setup means you have to share your room or maybe your setup where you have kept your PC, laptop, etc. You have to share the screenshot. Like this, you have to open it, submit the project. Mostly, sometimes it asks for links, sometimes it asks for the uh, image only. Okay, and then you have to submit over here. So, like this, you can see multiple challenges are there. You can complete, you can filter it from here also. You have to simply open it, read the instruction, and just submit the project. If any of you, if anyone of you facing some issues, you can comment down below. I'll try to make a detailed video for it. Means for completing these challenges because I've covered the challenges in the February month also and March month also. Okay. So if you need any help, you can comment down below. Now here in the challenges section, multiple challenges are live. So do we have to complete all the challenges? No, you have to complete only 5 to 6 challenge, which is very easy, including the challenges which I have listed in the videos. So 1, 2, and 3. 4. Total 4 challenges are here. You can complete all 4 and you'll be eligible for the swags. Okay. Now what are the swags? See, in the challenges they have some giveaways also and some other things also. Okay. So as per the swags, they will be giving you sticker and the mostly sticker and the badge. Okay. Postcard you can say. And during the session, if you win any other thing, for example, you win any giveaway type of thing, they ask some questions and you are attentive, you answer it, you'll be getting some cool goodies like backpack, even some got soft toys also. So like this, you'll be getting all the things. For any query you can reach out to me. So this is a very simple thing. You have to just register for all the events and then do the check-in process. And for completing the challenges, you have to come to the challenges tab. All the challenges are listed over here. You have to go one by one and complete all these things. So if you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section, guys. Thank you. Have a great